The midsize SUV Pajero Sport appeared in the range of the Japanese automaker in 1996. The first generation was made on the platform of the Pajero model and lasted on the assembly line until 2010. Starting from the second generation, the car shares a platform with the L200 pickup. Most likely, the new generation of Pajero Sport will not be an exception, which will replace the third generation, produced since 2015 and restyled in the summer of 2019. There are no spy photos of the future novelty yet, but we can assume that it will be made in the style of a new pickup truck. It is likely that they will have a common front end and other body elements up to the B-pillar. The wheelbase will certainly be significantly reduced compared to a pickup truck, as well as the rear overhang. At the same time, the distance between the axles will still remain large enough to accommodate 3 rows of seats, like the current model. One can only guess about the design of the rear, but for sure it will become much more strict compared to the current Pajero Sport. We also depicted a variant inspired by the first generation SUV. The lamp clusters are located high, and between them there is a wide black decorative insert. There is no reliable information about the features of the future SUV yet. We can assume that there will be a lot in common with the L200 Triton. Pickup truck introduced last month received a completely new steel frame with a 65% larger cross-sectional area. Frame bending stiffness increased by 40%, torsional stiffness by 60%. It has only one engine so far. It is a 4-cylinder turbodiesel 4N16 with a volume of 2.3 liters, which offers 3 output options: 150 horsepower, 184 horsepower and 204 horsepower. The motor can be aggregated with a 6-speed, mechanics, or a 6-speed automatic transmission. The drive can also be selected. It can be rear or full. The latter, in turn, exists in 2 versions: the Classic Part-Time with Easy Select 4-wheel drive and the Super Select 4-wheel drive 2 permanent all-wheel drive with an asymmetric center self-locking differential and lower. According to preliminary information, the premiere of the new Pajero Sport in accordance with Mitsubishi's production plans may take place a year after the premiere of the pickup truck, that is, by next summer.